kumba jutip haka por slab pini iba kan don bika jing shlei hakini thain na do na tina Borni pin poisha sekhat sanmer ketika area jongka cinema hall nang ta pin poisha desa sinjut umper jorobat kini area ke bana por slab pini iba ka shlei be te ka jing wan ka jungi mentah hang ne ban ringkat bat I deputy commissioner nang ta I video jongka block nang ta ki nakaliang ka nahai nang ta ki rang ba snong bat ko to ki nongilam ki bayawan lang banya lej ban jurip habidai bat kini ki habidai bat kini ka jing shlei hako porliur nang ta ba ki don ki sanction project ki ba kin sesna menta te ka jingwan ka jungi kelong ba impa banwan hako por ba shlei namara dangiwan dang ka por shlei lanong dapat ba kinle ekakam te kan suki bat ginyo kendu ginyo mat kejuk kajing te de na kata kadau ngiwan menta hakijing yedon lang ba di deputy commissioner nang ta ki nakale I video bat kaliang ka nahai kajingwan menta kalong ba ngini I bat ngilalap hage bidai bat ka kidau ke ba penlong la penlong ki ba contribute ya ka jing ja ya ka jing shlei te nakaliang ka ki nakaliang ka nahai gidan lang ki engineer ke nakaliang ka nahai te maki kilai bat nglabu ke jing kerpat ba kide ban pendep kam kloi aga bidai bat ka jing sna ka box culvert hage dei bat ka ban pentikna ba ka outlet ka dei ka flow ka dei ban biang namar ba ki hum pipe kim dei bandai ki baret ki dei bandai ki bahe kat kum ka jingwan jong ka te bat hagi bidai ba ka pher jo ka sinjut school ka ba baro ki yo ma de ke jing te ya katuru nakaleng I deputy commissioner la simkhia batin senang ban budin kumno ban la ban pentikna ba ha ketika area ba ka jing shlei ka de ban ka de benduna ba kanomdan ka jing shlei khnang ba ki paj ba ki kna school kini mikindo jing te sakawai ru ka ba ngakwa ban penpau kuma jungpi menta nakaliang kanahai lade banyo ka sanction ban sna ki foot over bridge ha Byrnihat kawai kabade ha ki area jongka Byrnihat proper he amin road nang ta bat hang de junction menta kawai kin sna ka foot over bridge kaban long nama kini ki area ki ba bun priyo bet man kasngi kaba ki jaka kaba kin ha ban cross te bat ka kan pensuk ki nong lek nong wan khnang ba kin light na kanono ka accident na kanono ka jingma te kalong ka ka bas utanat ru ka bidai ka sanction ka ba mentana kaliang kana hai labu ya ka beautification ane ka jing pin itanat na tu na jorobat satu sa Byrnihat bat ter ki surok ki badan haka national highway ki don ki portion ki ba klade ban sanction kaban pin itanat ya kene ka area bat nga nakaliang jonga kumu long ikmat uba represent ya kene ka constituency nga dokumen namar bangala penpau ru shika sarkar ya ka jing pin itanat ya kene ka area ka jongi teling baki lightings ki ba magigin sa bangi CE bahaki por ki sngi ki sawan dekat selong ka ka ban nangla ban pin itanat ya kene ka dong ka thain ka jongi te ngabu ya ka jing shania ha ka nahai ka National Highway Authority of India nang ta I deputy commissioner nagam ta kumo ban nangla ban budin to follow it up with all these issues so that all the problems issues can be resolved once and for all dikatahi ketika jingkut snow na kailang jonga so at the same time I would like to thank deputy commissioner si Avilash Branwal ba Eric video and then the engineers from the NHI and along with all the representatives from these areas. I would like to thank them for coming together so that we can see by our own eyes the problems and issues raised by the public.
Of Honorable Minister and local MLA Sri Sosthenes Sohtun sir. Local people had been facing a lot of issues regarding flooding in internal areas because of certain the limited capacity of hume pipes, etc. And simultaneously there was a long-standing demand for foot-over bridge as well as street lights in this area. So now that the contract has been finally awarded, Honorable MLA sir had requested that we should conduct one inspection to see that these street lights and footover bridge should come up at the earliest. There should not be any hindrance to it. So we had called NHAI, we have called other line departments as well to streamline all the pending issues. Simultaneously, we are joined by local representatives as well. Moreover, the flooding related matters, wherever the culverts are blocked or the culvert has to be replaced with box culverts, for that we have already taken up with NHAI, and whatever necessary actions are to be taken regarding removal of encroachments and all, that we have discussed with the local community, and we will initiate those actions at the earliest to ensure that before the next monsoon these all culverts etc are clear and the water is through and there won't be any more flooding.